In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and copy task ID in ClickUp. Now you have to note that each and every task that you have created or your own, it has its own unique ID. To find it, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to get started, first go to the task you'd like to copy or find the ID. And once you're on it, you can see this is the task, and above here we have this a mixture of numbers and letters, and if you hover over it, you can see it is written copy ID. So if you click on it, you can see now that ID has been copied. Now you can proceed and paste it or share it with whoever you wish. So that's how you can find and copy or share task ID in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.